Let R be the shaded region bounded by the graph of y equals x times e to the x squared, the line y equals negative 2x, and the vertical line x equals 1, as shown in the figure above. A. Find the area of R. B. Write but do not evaluate an integral expression that gives the volume of the solid generated when R is rotated about the horizontal line y equals negative 2. C. Write but do not evaluate an expression involving one or more integrals that gives the perimeter of R.
Let's see how to solve this problem.
First step, write down the question. Second step, find the area of R. You need to know which equation is on top and which one is at the bottom. If you mix up the equations, you will not get the correct answer in the end. To set up the equation for area, you will need an integral in front, then a 0 at the bottom as the lower limit of integration, and 1 at the top as the upper limit of integration. You will then have to top the minus from the bottom in parentheses, and don't forget to put dx at the end. You will need to take the antiderivative now. You will plug in the upper limit into the new equation you got and minus it by the lower limit. The last step is to simplify and get the answer. Step 2, B. For the volume, it will be very similar to the area. For this problem, you just need to set it up and not need to evaluate the equation. You have to put a pi in front of the integral and then have the two limits of integration, which are 0 and 1, again like the area. Now we have to figure out what are the rotating around and what is on top and bottom. We are rotating around negative 2, and that is our starting place. Big R is what is on top and small r is what is on the bottom. To put in the equation, you will have big R minus negative 2 squared minus small r minus negative 2 squared and dx at the bottom. Step 3. For part C, you are asked to write the equation in order to find the perimeter of R, or the shaded area. The first step to get the perimeter of R is to take the derivative of the first equation given. We have two terms multiplying together. We have to use the product rule to get the right derivative. For a product rule, you need to take the derivative of the first term, then multiply it by the original second term. Then add to the derivative of the second term and multiply it by the original first term. Feel free to simplify it to make the rest of the math look easier.